PsycINFO includes grants as a searchable field. This can be used to track funding from specific institutions or to discover what funding sources may be available to support further research on the topic. The first search will find if the National Institute of Health is funding any research on ADHD. The search can be conducted using keywords or subject terms for the main concept of ADHD and then adding National Institute of Health to its own search box and selecting Grant GI from the drop-down list. This publication includes numerous grants or sponsorships. Since I did not conduct a phrase search with National Institute of Health, we're seeing additional institutions highlighted, such as the Institute of Psychiatry, Psychology, and Neuroscience. Additionally, if you want to get a sense of the type of research an individual organization is providing, you can also search by their name without additional key terms. The Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation is the largest American private foundation, and we can find over 1,500 results searching for grant funding from the organization in PsycINFO.